today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move stop loss in TradingView. First, open your browser and head to tradingview.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in so your charts and settings load correctly. Once you're on the site, navigate to your charting workspace. You can pick any symbol you're trading or analyzing. The process is the same whether you're using a single chart or a multi-chart layout, and it works across timeframes from minutes to months. The key is simply to be on the chart where your position or trade idea is displayed. On your chart, locate your existing stop loss. This might be tied to an active position, a paper trade, or the long-short position drawing tool. It typically appears as a horizontal line labeled SL, often with a price tag and sometimes your position size or P&L. Hover your cursor over that line until it highlights, which confirms it's selectable. A selected stop line will show small handles or a clear outline, making it easy to see that you're interacting with the right element and not another drawing. Now, click directly on the stop loss line and hold your mouse button. While holding, drag the line vertically. Dragging upward will tighten the stop for a long position or loosen it for a short position. Dragging downward does the opposite. As you move the line, watch the price label next to it update in real time so you can place it at the exact level you want. When you're satisfied with the new price, release the mouse to drop it in place. If you're connected to a broker, you may see a confirmation prompt to update the order, confirm to apply the change. If you're adjusting a drawing tool's stop, it will update immediately on release. A few practical tips can make this smoother. Zoom in on the price scale before you drag for finer control, especially if you're working with small increments. If the stop line doesn't respond to clicks, ensure it isn't locked in your chart settings and that order lines are visible. For consistency in risk management, consider how the new stop aligns with recent swing highs or lows, key levels, or volatility, rather than placing it at a random number. Moving a stop closer reduces risk, but increases the chance of being taken out by normal noise. Moving it farther gives the trade more room, but increases potential loss. That's all there is to it. Go to TradingView, open your chart, click your stop loss, and drag it up or down to the exact price you want. Make your adjustments thoughtfully, confirm any prompts, and you're done.